Hello everyone. In this video, I am guiding yoga under the guidance of Dr. Makkar that focuses on the issue of ankylosing spondylitis, specifically the upper axial spondylitis. This will help to give your neck, shoulder, and upper back pain relief. To begin with, we will begin in our tabletop position. Keep your shoulders above your wrists, knees below your hips. Inhale, lengthen your spine, open your chest, chin up, avoid neck compression. Exhale, chin to chest, round your upper back, try to relax your shoulders. Inhale, look up, tilt your tailbone, lift through your navel. Exhale, try to gaze towards your navel, tuck your tailbone. Continue with the cow and cat poses and keep the pace slow and steady, just like your breath. Imagine warming up your spine in this movement. Exhale, release and bring your hip down towards your heels, knees together. Extend your arms forward. Child's pose can help to relieve neck pain. Breathe deeply and focus on letting go of any tension or tightness. Inhale, come back up. Cow face pose with your arms and legs. Bend your left knee at the bottom and take the right leg above. Keep the knees stacked onto each other. Lengthen your spine here. Sitting bones grounded. Lift your right hand up, reach up and bend the right elbow. Reach the fingertips to your left shoulder blade. Swing your left arm to the back and try to catch both fingertips together or touch on the edges. Open your chest. Inhale, lengthen. As you exhale, fold forward. Keep your spine straight and long. Gently release the grip, wiggle your fingertips, and switch sides. This time, right knee bend at the bottom and take the left leg above. Keep the knees stacked onto each other. Lengthen your spine here, sitting bones grounded. Lift your left hand up, reach up and bend the left elbow. Reach the fingertips to your right shoulder blade and swing your right arms to the back and try to catch both fingertips together or touch on the edges. Open your chest, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come back up and release the grip and wiggle it away. Come into an easy seated pose. Place your fingertips onto your knees and use the cow and cat movement here. Inhale, open your chest, look up. Exhale, tuck your tailbone, contract your tummy. Repeat this a couple of times and try to just relax your neck and shoulders here. And now, twist in your easy seated pose. Right palm behind your hip, left fingertips on your right knee. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Release. This time, left palm behind your hip, right fingertips on your left knee. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Let's try a diagonal side stretches. Take your left fingertips onto your right knee, reach your right arm up, bend the right elbow, and open your chest facing diagonally towards the ceiling. Gently move your gaze and chin up and down. Switch sides. Take your right fingertips onto your left knee, reach your left arm up, bend the left elbow and open your chest facing diagonally towards the ceiling. Gently move your gaze and chin up and down. From here, we move on to a bridge pose. The bridge pose stretches the spine, neck, and chest. Lean back, keep your hip and shoulders grounded on the floor. Ensure that you're able to reach your fingertips to the edge of your heels, knee above your heels. Press the palms down firmly on the ground, tuck your tailbone, and lift your hip up high. Keep your thighs and inner feet parallel. Interlace your fingertips here into a fist and push it downwards to lift your hip higher. Try to also push your upper shoulder down to lift your chest high, chin to chest. Stay here and keep on breathing slow, deep breath. Exhale, release. Gently bring your upper shoulder, mid back, lower back, and your hip last down to the ground. We're going to repeat a couple more times here. Press your palms firmly on the floor, tuck your tailbone, and lift as you inhale. During this time, keep in mind to gently squeeze the inner thigh and keep both feet pressing to the ground. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift. Exhale, gently move down. Bring your knees towards your chest. Keep your hip and shoulder grounded. Roll your hips side to side, massaging your lower back. Bring your knees to one side. Push one palm down to lift yourself up. This time we will extend right arm out and left arm on top. Cross over and bend on the elbows. Keep the back of the palms together like this. If this is not accessible to you, give yourself a hug instead like this and roll it side to side. For eagle arms, inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, lean forward, elbow to navel. One more time, repeat. Release. Extend again the right arm out and left arm on top. Cross over and bend on the elbows. Give yourself a hug instead if this is not accessible to you. For eagle arms, let's just inhale and lift the hands up. Exhale, lean forward, elbow to navel. Release and wiggle it away. Let's move on to the next pose. Downward dog. First, come into your tabletop. Tuck your toes, lift your hip up. Tailbone up into the air. Spread your fingertips wide, shoulder blades wide apart, and keep your neck relaxed. Hold the downward dog pose and take a long, deep breath. As you lengthen your spine, keep your neck long and shoulders relaxed. Press your feet firmly on the floor, hip neutral. Bend your knees and transition to staff pose. Staff pose may look easy like any seated pose, but it is not an easy pose, especially if you have tight hamstrings. Extend both your legs forward, flex both feet. Keep the spine long, open your chest. Relax the shoulder and neck. Look forward and relax your facial muscle. Elongate and extend yourself by reaching through the crown of your head. Release and get into a comfortable, easy seated pose. Thank you for joining this session today, and hope to see you in the next session. Take care, everyone.